Do you have credit card bills circling back around at you month in and month out? It can be very stressful, I know. I've been there, done that. If you're tired of juggling bills and scrambling to make ends meet, I can help. I can even help you find more money this year so that paying and tracking your bills is not so overwhelming. Let's face it, every year most of us have family and friends who we really want to buy a special gift for. We also might have finally taken that long-awaited vacation and spent just a little bit more than planned. Every little something special purchase adds up, and if you have participated in the gift-giving ritual during the holidays, you might still be facing those bills even right now. For those of you who have moved away from your hometown, you might also incur regular additional travel expenses. Before my 96-year young father transitioned, he certainly was not going to fly from Florida to California, and I definitely wanted to go see him as much as my busy schedule would allow. So that was yet another stream of expenses, right? Little by little, all of these expenses add up, and unless you're one of the few who pay off their cards every month, now it's probably time to pay. If you are one of the people who pay off your credit card bills every month, I am sure you'd love to know how to save even more money, right? There is a proven way to find money and even save money, which can help you handle bills in ways you might not have yet even considered. As a board-certified professional organizer, I help clients get their lives organized and simplified. And when we work together, 95% of the time, we also find money. Bare minimum, we always end up saving at least a couple of $100. This I guarantee. If you're intrigued, click this link to learn how I have helped clients save $200 to $1,000 each month. Go ahead and get a fresh start with your money beginning this year. You can take control and find multiple ways to save money. Click the link to check it out. Let's make this your year to get your finances organized and make this your best year ever. I will see you in the Financial Organizing Masterclass.